Hey, Roland Cassidy at Carroll Street Classics. Today we're going to introduce this 1968 Camaro RS Convertible. This car is fully restored. It's a ground-up restoration. It is not a numbers matching car. It has a 350 in it, but the nice thing about it, it's got all the cool options. It's got the power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got ceramic coated headers, which just put on. You can see it's got the insulator socks on there. Turbo 350 transmission. Check out these Craigers. Wow, those are pretty nice too. White convertible top. It's got the trim package, the exterior appearance package. Of course, it's got the horseshoe shifter with a nice Pioneer CD player in there. The key buzzer even works. 57,000 original miles. Tachometer, gauges, horseshoe shifter, staple shifter, and AM/FM CD player. Check it out.